I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel with another interesting topic. So we are going to talk about binomial theorem. We are going to learn how we can expand two terms using the binomial theorem. This video is helpful to those that are doing A levels, which is advanced math, and the students that are taking additional mathematics. This video will really help you. So if you are viewing this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Even as I upload any new content, you get to be notified. So now let us learn how we can expand using the binomial theorem. So how can you expand? Let's say you are having, so the first thing you need to know is the formula. You've got A plus B, then this is raised to the power n. You've got something like this. So when you've got something like this, the n here must be the positive integer. You need to make sure that the n there is a positive integer. So if it is a positive integer, the formula that you are going to use for you to expand this using the binomial theorem is like this. So the first thing you need to know is the formula. You need to know the formula to use. So which formula now are you going to use in this case? The formula that you are going to use, you are going to say A raised to the power which is there. So you are going to say A raised to the power which is there, which is n. Then plus the n comes down here to be multiplied with a. So n multiplied with a. A is having power n. You say n minus what? 1, like that. Then the b comes here, raised to the power 1. This is what you are going to do. Then here you say over what? 1 factorial. So I'm telling you the formula which you'll be using. I'm going to give an example here so that we understand. I say plus. The reason why I didn't include a b here, because b was having a power 0. Then you know that anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. That's the reason why I didn't include a b there. Then if I move here, so I know that this one comes down here. So when it comes down here, I'm going to have n, then n minus 1 cross like this. Then a, I'm going to have n minus 2. Then I say b raised to the power 2. Then here I'm going to say over what? Over 2 factorial. So this is what you are going to be doing. These are procedures that you'll be following. So if I continue expanding this, if I continue, let's go to the other one. So if I go to the other one, I move here. So this power n minus 2 comes down here. So I'm going to have n like that. Then I say n minus 1 like this. Then I say n minus 2 like that. So I'll continue like that. This is what I'm going to do. Then a will be raised to the power n minus 3. Then I say b to the power 3. This is what I will continue. Here I say this is over what? 3 factorial. So you will just be going with this formula until you reach the power which you are given in the question. So let us look at an example. Let's say you are given to expand this. The question is saying expand. So you are told to expand this. You are told to expand 1 plus x raised to the power 4. How can you expand this? So 1 plus x to the power 4. You are told to expand. And what are we using? We are using the binomial theorem to expand. So how can you expand something like this? So what you are going to do, this is what you are going to do. You are going to say, what is your a here? You write down first the formula. So what is your a? You check what is your a. Your a in this case, you know that your a is 1. What is your b? Your b is what? Your b is x. What is your n? N is the power. What's the power? The power is 4. So this is the data which you are given here. This is the data which you are given. So you know that you need to reach up to the what? Up to the 4th power. So how is the formula going to be? So you write down the formula that you are going to use. So I'm going to start here. You write down the formula that you are going to use. You know that you are going to start with a to the power n, then plus. This comes down n a power n minus 1 b1. Here you put 1 factorial. You continue plus. That one comes down n minus 1, then a to the power n minus 2 here. You say 2 b2. Here you put what? Here you put 2 factorial. Then you continue plus. You go to the third one. So plus. This one comes down here. So you're going to have n minus 1, n minus 2, like that. Then a raised to the power n minus 3. Here you are going to put what? 3 factorial. Then b raised to the power what? Power 3. The power we are having is what? Is 4. So I continue where I'm going to do this. So I continue. So I say this one comes down here. So I'm going to have something that will be like this. Hope you are able to see. This one comes down here. So I'm going to have n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, like that. This is what I'm going to have. Then I'll have a n minus 4, then b to the power 4. This is what I'm going to have. Hope you are able to see. So here, this last part here, I'm going to put what? I'm going to put 4 factorial. This is what I'm going to do. So I go back to this part which is here. I go back to my first part here. So I'm going to expand that. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to write down my formula. I'm going to say a1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to what? So it is equal to what? I start from here. So I know that a, what is my a? A is 1. 1 to the power 4. What is the answer? 1 to the power 4. It is 1. So there I've got my 1. I say plus. Then I move here. I'm here now. So here where I am, what I'm going to do is this. N is what? 4. So I'm going to put my 4 there. So I say 4. Have you seen? N is 4. What is my A? What is my A? My A, I check. My A is 1. So 4 times 1, it is 4. What is my B? My B is X. So it is just 4 times what? X, which is 4X. This is what I'm going to do. Then I say, here I'm having what? 1 factorial. I say plus. I move where? I move here. This is where I've gone. So this is 1 factorial. So plus. I'm here now. So what I'm going to do is this. N, I know that it is 4. Then I do this. What is N is 4. 4 minus 1, it is 3. So it is 3. A, I know what is my A. What is my A? My A is what? 1. So every number here, have you seen 1? As long as it is A, I'm going to have 1. So my concentration will be on a B part. So A, here I know it's 1. 1 to the power 2, it is just 1. B there, it is what? B there, it is X. So X to the power what? Power 2. This is what I'm going to do. So I can do this. It is X to the power 2. Then over what? Over 2 factorial. This is what I'm having. I continue, I say plus. I move to which part? I move to this part. I'm on this part now. This is the part where I am. So I say, this is N is what? 4. So 4, What is 4 minus 1? It is 3. What is 4 minus 2? It is 2. A, it is 1. 1 raised to the power 4 minus 3, it's 1. 1 power 1 is 1. 1 disappears. Then x there. B is x. To the power what? Power 3. That's what I'm going to have. Then I say over. Over what? 3 factorial. I continue plus. I move to this last one, this last part. I move to this last part. So I'm going to follow it nicely and clearly. I see how I'm going to do. This is 4. 4 minus 1, it is 3. 4 minus 2, it is 2. 4 minus 3, it is 1. So I won't write the 1 there. I'll just leave it. So I'll just leave it. Then I go to this one, A. 4 minus 4. A is 1. Then 4 minus 4, it is 0. 1 to the power 0, it is 1. B. B is x. So x to the power what? Power 4. Then I say over. Over what? 4 factorial. Over 4 factorial. This is what I'm going to have. Over 4 factorial. Then I just write my final answer. With this, I can now write my final answer. 1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to, what do you have there? It is 1 plus. What is 1 factorial? 1 factorial, it is 1. So 1 into 4, it is 4. So 4x. Then I say plus. What is 2 factorial? 2 factorial, maybe you don't know how factorials are going. So when I say 2 factorial, what I mean is 1 times 2. Have you seen 1 times 2? So 2 factorial, it is what? 2. When I say 3 factorial, so I just want you to know, 3 factorial means 1 times 2 times 3. You reach up to 3. When I say 4 factorial, so I'm just going to show you what I mean by this. When I say 4 factorial, it's 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. This is what we get to mean and talk about. So 2 factorial, it is 2. 4 times 3, 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 6x squared there. So there is a square there. So I put square there. I say plus. What is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is here. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 3, 6. So it is what? It is 6 here. 3 factorial, it is what? 6. So I say, what is 4 times 3? It is 12. 12 times 2. 12 times 2, you get what? 24. 24 divided by a 6 here, which is a 3 factorial. So divide by 6, you get what? 4. So here you've got what? There you've got 4x to the power what? Power 3 there. You continue and say plus. You move to the last one here. This is the last one, which is here. You say 4 factorial. 4 factorial is here. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4, it is 24. So 4 factorial is 24. So here, just same as having what? 24. So now I say, what is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is what? 4 times 3, 12. Times 2, 24. 24 divided by 24, you get 1. So 1, you get 1. Then just x to the power 4. X to the power 4, which is there. So x to the power what? 4. So expanding that, expanding what have we expanded? Expanding this using the binomial theorem. This is the answer that we get. So this is the formula that you need to know. These are the formulas that we are going to be using on each and every question that you are given in an exam. So I'm going to leave you with one question which I want you to expand. So I want you to expand this question using what? The binomial theorem. You can expand using the binomial theorem. So this is the question. It's just simple, where I say 4 plus 2 over x. Expand this to the power what? Power 4. I want the answer. Using what? Using the binomial theorem. So I want you to expand this using the binomial theorem. This is what you need to do. So if you are new to this channel, let's make sure we subscribe. Let's make sure we share this video to others. Thank you so much. So we were doing the binomial theorem. I'm yet to do more teachings on this. Thank you so much, and I believe this will really help you. Thank you so much.